sikotari kinisi mama we mutebutsi bakise sizdi cyangwa si cyafashwe cyangwa si wafashwe ese ninde wafashwe igiki cyafashwe Louis Gatika numuyitinze koko wakubitira icyamamare kigiye kugasobanura bikahita bihumira ku murari agaho kahuye n'umunyutsi filime yahuye na Rocky tumenye kagaho kahuye n'umunyutsi Mario Van Peebles akarimo cyane dutangira yitwa Mexico agace bita Rosarito muri Mexico Katori ngo dutangira nyari hano basa mu gitondo urugo n'urugo kwereka yarari hano ari n'umwana.
Finish your homework last night, T?
Kana
Taylor?
What?
warangije umukoro wawe nijoro Taylor.
What?
Iki urambwira ngo iki banyita bagiki
Your teachers at school like that.
ese nibyo bari kwigisha kwishuri wa mwana.
What you're looking for is, excuse me, Dad.
Wakagombye kumbwira ngo mbwiye ngo iki papa, excuse me dad.
Mexico.
Hano turi muri Mexico.
Man as whatever the country you're living in, smart.
Ikinyabupfura ntabwo kijyana n'ahantu umuntu aho ariho hose ugiye ugomba kukijyana.
Hey, I'm talking to you.
Wenda vugana nawe. Umwana arivumbura cyo umwana afite akadisipline gake.
Thanks a lot for cooking me that breakfast, Dad.
Wakagombye kunshimira ngo wakoze kuntekera ibya mu gitondo papa. Wakayobeye nanone ni Isaac Florentine. Umugabo abana n'umwana gusa kari bifoto ya mama w'uyu mwana. Menye uyu mugabo abana n'umwana gusa nta mugore n'umugore yaba haraba mumufashije. Aba mama nta mikino umwana ntago yagusuzugura bafatana kamambiri bagatimbura. Ariko abagabo hari ukuntu abana bajya batumenyera. Ukabavuga ati papa sarankubita igipfunsi.
Well, do you know what, Tom? I'm actually really glad you asked me that question because our number one, the very top.
Umugabo komeye kuri no. Harabama bagabwira tugiye company yanjye niyo company yanjye. Irenze cyane mu bijyanye no kuba twakora business ikoranabuhanga n'itumanaho.
With iCloud.
Ku buryo rwose nta muntu wabasha kwinjira muri system y'umutekano wanyu uko yiboneye. Babantu nyine bagenda bestara umuntu yanze ku rugo rwawe bigasora bigasakuza. Uyu kuri nibyo agenda yestara nibyo bakora nibyo company ikora. Bazamuhamaga baramukupa. To yibereye mu rugo. Undi mu papa wese ntaribi. Mwana agiye ku ishuri.
Yes, Taylor's father, please.
Speaking.
I'm sorry to inform you.
Alo, hari umamagaye.
Some trouble at school.
Wiri papa tega tuvugana yego. Ati umwana wawe uyu munsi ku ishuri yagiye mu mirwana arwana n'abandi bana.
We did.
Umwana wawe yarwanye n'abahungu babiri.
Well, any idea what started it?
Ninde watangije imirwano n'umwana wawe?
Other students said Taylor was reacting being decent.
Yeah, but even so, he knows better than that.
So T.
Wabona umwana wawe waje yarakaye kubera kuba muri yuzuye.
Can't have his behavior at our school.
Ariko arabizi ko niba muri yuzuye agomba kuba ari gaparura kurwana.
And, do you mind giving me the numbers of the parents of the kids that
Ese wama nimero z'ababyeyi barwanye n'umwana wanjye. Ababyeyi n'abana barwanye n'umwana wanjye kabafugisha. Katurori, umwana barakwereka imodoka y'ishuri yaramutaye. Mugaba yibereye mu rugo yikorera utuzi twe. Cyana cyarwanye.
I got a call from your principal today, buddy. Anything?
Directrice w'ikigo yamagaye ngo warwaye.
Taylor!
Taylor, cyana kiramususuka.
Been 2 weeks, that is. I'm not happy. Oi!
Ubu bwa kabiri mu byumweru bibiri urwanye wa cano.
Turn around!
Hindukira. Vuze wiki. Cyana bagikubise dore ku isura. Kirasuzugura.
Was it? Same kids as last time?
Abo mwarwanye niba bari mwarwanye n'ubushize. Yego. Abana bahora bahanganye. Bari bakomera ijisho sha.
That's a pretty good bruise.
Shaba gukubisa igipfunsi cya tari.
The first punch.
Ninde wabanje gukubita undi?
The principal tells me that you did.
Director yavuze ko ari wowe washotoye abo bana. Ari we warwanye mbere. Taylor.
Thought we had an agreement.
Nariziko twumvikanye.
Agreement. They've been saying things to the other kids about me. They know about mom. They may...
Babanserereza bavuga kuri mama wanjye bavuga ngo ndi imfubyi banyita imfubyi ku ishuri narwanye.
It's not like getting into a punch
Wa mwana ibyo ntabwo bikwiye kubirwanira n'abandi bana.
from me. I've told you before, son. Violence.
Narakubwiye buri munsi ngo urugomo ntabwo rucemo ibibazo.
It doesn't matter, okay? You can't just go around punching your problems away.
Wa mwana ntabwo wakumva ko ibibazo byawe uzajya ubikemura ari ukukubisa abantu. Oya. Ugomba kubiganira.
I'm trying, right, buddy?
Wa mwana we.
I'm trying to raise you the right way, the way you...
Bagerageza kukurera nk'uko mama yifuzaga ko wakura.
Dead.
Mama yarapfuye.
So why don't you stop trying?
Ese wari cyo kugerageza kundera nk'uko yashaka.
You know, maybe instead of teaching me how to run away from...
Aho kugira ngo unyigishe kurwana, unyigisha guhunga imirwano. Uri mubyeyi nyabaki.
There's better ways of handling it.
Nibwo buryo bwiza bwo gukemura ibibazo. Umwana to kugira ngo unyigishe kurwana, unyigishe guhunga aho rukomeye. Uri mubyeyi nkawe nyabaki. Umwana. Ivi yaratwigarukira kuri no. Komera uri kuri. Ubundi ushaka gukura umuntu amenyo uri kubireba kuri YouTube. Ubanza gukubita utababarira. N'iki hano uri kwigisha kurwana. Noneho hari ukuntu umubara, sibyo?
And load into the punches.
Umwana bari kuri ibikuru barwana. None uri kanze n'ibikuru barwana nzagukubitira umuntu. Nibyabyana biri muri ya myaka ya 11, 10. Mwana reka nze ndebe filime ukuntu barwana ninjya ku ishuri nzakubita ibyana bizongera kumenyera. Abana ari abaginga nzabatimbura dore icyana cyamutebutse noneho nzakura umuntu amenyo nimanukire nk'icyamamare noneho njyewe hazagira n'umuginga papa arinjira urwo rusaku n'urwikira
Homework?
narindi gukora devoir
With that noise, I could hear you downstairs, son.
nkumvisha urusaku uri hasi
I was watching YouTube.
narindi kuri YouTube ureba ibiki
Yeah.
warebaga iki indirimbo za papa cyangwa shuwa katurebe kurabona ni ikigo cyigisha kurwana
Hit hard and fast in a street fight.
uburyo wakubita umuntu mu buryo bwihuse ubangutse ushwanyaguza
We're watching this one.
Because the next time one of those kids gives me trouble,
utandasha kubira byari byongera kumenyera nzabikubita
Listen to me. I don't want to hear any more about you getting into trouble at school. And
wamweretse inshuro kugera kumva wagiye mu bibazo ku ishuri
what they're saying to you, it's not worth it. Do you understand?
wamwereka umukoro wawe ibintu byo kurwana ntabwo bikwiye
Get back and finish your real homework.
genda urangize mu mwaka yawe
And request a paper on how to smash somebody's face in.
almost done.
Well, almost isn't finished, is it? So get it done.
banza urangize uwo mwaka n'ubundi nagiye kwirangiza ariko akagiye kuba nkakubiki reka ipad kurwana uri kwiga kurwana ubona nta mubyeyi uvuze ko umwana wagenda arwana abana ariko bapfa n'ubusa umwana buriya abana barakaza n'usi ushobora kugira ngo uko kireba akahita arwana ngo banserereje ngo ndeba nabi ariko umuntu mukuru mubwiye ngo uko kireba ntari aba yifite ibibazo by'inzara by'amafaranga ibindi byinshi ibyo rero hari akamwinjiye mu ijosi hari ako bamurashe mu ijosi nimutebutse bimeze bite hari ako bamukubise mu ijosi ukaba yibereye mu rugo hari ako bamurashe mu ijosi bimeze bite umugabo hari ako bamurashe gatangira kumuca intege amanuka ariyo bimeze bite isikoti yarikiriza amasiringi kuri umuzi nka mutebutse umugabo yamanutse atyo katurori katurori bwarinze bwira umugabo sinzi nagaci bamurashe mu ijosi ni bande bakamuteye twase kamuciye intege bakamurashe ari ku manywa burinda bwira bimeze bite rero nuko dutangiye filime yacu hey uyu ari hano nibwo agikanguka yakanguye na telefone urebe telefone Hello Richard we
Who's this?
ninde
Question is, amigo, who are you?
ikibazo ahubwo urinde
Talking about.
You're a security consultant living
hariya muri security consultant wiyogiye muri Mexico
at life. Or so that's the story you've told everyone the last few
iyo niyo nkuru agiye ubwira abantu bose ubishye
Nero.
I didn't know that name.
uzi gute iryo zina ryanjye
I know what you've been, what you've done, and who you.
ibyo wakoze n'icyo uri cyo turabizi nubwo usubesha muri security consultant aho ngaho
It's just begun. You will receive a video and
tugiye kohereza video
be ready.
iyo video nuyibona uhita uba tayari umenye icyo gukora kugira na buri umwana we tayira hey uzi umwana we
Where's my son?
umwana wanjye ari hehe umwana wanjye ari hehe
Green, amigo.
reba kuri screen yawe amigo yabonye umwana w'ahantu bamufungiye dore umwana we
Who are you?
I'm the one calling the shots. You know the drill. I don't really have to explain it to you, do I? To someone who
You
is
listen to me.
cyende umuntu utanga amategeko arakurikiza nyumva
My kid's head.
nagira n'ukora ku musatsi w'umwana wanjye ndamuhitana
Oh, and you know what, Nero? That's why I chose you. I don't doubt it for a second. But I need you for a job.
What job? What the hell are you?
hari akazi ngira ngo ngurira akahe kazi ubundi urashaka iki
Son!
Hey, you
Mwana wa Jari.
what little time your son is left alive, huh? You ready to listen?
nagira ngo unyumve
I'm listening.
Your son has been imprisoned in a gas chamber
umwana wari mu cyumba kirimo gaze iri hanze
where he will die from carbon monoxide.
akanya kari kose icyumba umwana wawe warimo twarekura gaze akahita apfa dore umwana ahantu bamufungiye harimo ikintu cy'igipira cyajyanamo gaze indani akanya kari kose umwana bari kuyi gaze ashobora gupfa
Are you still with me?
Yes, I'm with you.
uracyari kunyumva yego
There's just a package. Under that bill.
aho imbere ubona hari agapfunyika ndagira ngo gafungure urebe n'iki kirimo indani muri ako gapfunyika umusore yise azana umufitiye akazi nimba ashaka umwana waguma ari muzima nafungura ako gapfunyika kandi akurikiza icyo bamubwiye filime bayise sisiti yahise aza gufungura agapfunyika hano kuri bano
See the vest? Put it on.
ambara iyo veste cyangwa se ako gakote ubanza agira gutya yitonze iyo veste ayikura yayambare
This vest has a micro camera.
hari kamera iri imbere kuri iryo kote ndagira ngo yatse arayatse
I was amigo. No games here.
ahantu ujya coordinates zirimo muri screen y'imodoka ahita akurikira izo korodoni
To route.
arakurikiza
Listen, buddy. Until I get to speak to my son, I...
ndashaka kuvugana n'umuhungu wanjye bacana kamera hano
Tyler!
Tyler
It's Dad!
Tyler ni papa wawe uri hehe akana ke bagashimusa hey papa
It's alright, son. What happened to your face? Did they hurt you?
bigeze bakubabaza Mrs. Sawa
Where are you, son? Listen, can you hear or see anything that...
mwana wanjye urangane hari ikintu uri kubona cyari icyo uri kumva ngubwire
Where I am, I just woke up here.
What's going on, Dad?
niba iki bijya mbere papa
I don't know, buddy, but...
ntugire ikibazo mwana wanjye
Tyler!
Tyler
Fuck!
Stay.
Shit!
He has no idea where he is or how he got there. But the kid put up a hell of a fight.
umwana wawe ntabwo azi kunegeza ari kwegereje kurwana
I'll say. Now the rule's simple. Do what I say, huh?
kurikiza amategeko ukora icyo tukubwiye niba ushaka kubona umwana wari muzima
Hey, you completed everything I asked of you.
ibyo ndibugusaba byose nubikora umwana wawe uramubona
Location.
ukabasa hano
What happened? How are you gonna let him go?
It's called...
ubwirwa n'iki ko muri mureka akagenda
We're gonna be working on that today.
Trust?
turakorera ku cyizere
Pretty fucking long day then, isn't it, mate?
ninde ukivuga ibyo bintu by'icyizere
Now I get to speak to my son again.
ndashaka kongera kuvugana n'umwana wanjye turavugana ryari
Not a moment sooner.
gatori umugabo imodoka ari kugendamo irimo amerekezo kuri screen yayo hari arimo korodoni zanagomba kujya bimeze bite bibutse izo filimi zisanga ku gasobanuye 250.com ndi hano avayo parikano ya gatori
See that hotel off to your left?
urabona hoteli iri ibumoso bwawe
There's a meeting going on in the restaurant from the lobby. Between the Roja cartel and the guys...
hari inama iri kujya mbere muri hoteli igizwe n'uwitwa roha kariteri na garisa hoteli kariteri
Bad idea because they'll control everything west of the TJ River.
abo bantu ni babi cyane bo bakontorora ibikorwa by'ubugizi bwa nabi bibera kuri uyu muhanda
I want you to go in there
ndagira ngo wicare midani
and kill every person there.
wice abantu bose bari muri iyo nama
Christ, you cannot be serious.
ibyo bintu ntabwo uri
You
serious
think tonight they would give you one modicum of second of thought that I wasn't serious?
urakeka jye nashimusa umwana wawe none tukukubwira ugashaka gutekereza bwa kabiri
At the place, what about the innocent bystanders?
That's exactly what you're gonna do in your son's life.
ugiye kwica ubice kubw'umwana wawe
Particular place, I will play God.
jye muri uyu mukino ndaza kuba ndi nk'imana
No good people in there.
abantu ugiye kwica ntabwo ari abantu beza ni abagizi ba nabi uri kubimubwira mwe muzima filime ya kera yitwa soro
I said we're talking about that.
10 to 12, give or take. Well, that's nothing for the neighborhood 15 years ago from what I hear, but
agira cyo kure yihuta
today do you still have what it takes?
You got a dark side. You somehow get out of there in one piece.
ngiye kugenda nica abantu bose bari midani nsohoke ndi muzima urahita umwana wanjye tuvugane
Exactamente. And that's the only way you're gonna see your son again.
ngo n'ubundi nibwo buryo bwonyine bwo kubona umwana wawe ari muzima sibyo
That's in there.
injizamo agatafari kawe ndani
Those motherfuckers.
ukora akazi kawe gatori ukaba arambara
No,
Hey!
no zippers.
wikwambara wishyiraho iyo mashini ifungura kamera kugira utayipfukirana ndashaka kuri ibyo ugiye gukora byose
Hey, whatever floats your boat, pal. Be back in a minute.
ndaje mu munota ndaje reka nica abantu ndaje n'icyamutewe ndaje reka nica abantu ndaje kigiye kubamara urumva umugabo aramubwira ati twafashe umwana wawe nutica abo bantu ni abagizi ba nabi n'ubundi bahombeye igihugu n'ababyeyi nutabica turica umwana wawe umutima nyine uhita utangira kwiha impamvu nta n'ubundi bari abantu se ko bahombeye igihugu n'ababyeyi reka bice ariko nyine uba ubizi ko ugiye gukora amakosa nawe ni ukwirema agatima umugabo avayo bimeze bite ya shiramo indani hari kubera inama ya ba kariteri roha na gaziya fayo uyu mugabo ni security consultant w'inaha ariko bavuze ati turakuzi uriwe n'ibyo wahoze ukora wibeshya abantu wari mubi cyane utwika rero wishaka uyobya uburari yeah. Do. ugeze hano shiramo indani muri hoteli dore aba kariteri n'ibigizi byane biri hano biri kumwe abo yana tujye tungura umugi se ko ruba rwacurujwe n'iki umusore n'icura rimwe mutabutsi faya do faya ku bagabo muri ruraka midani nta mikino sasu faya do arabangutse mowe do mutebutsi do faya sasu n'umuntu kurasiye abagabo ubona ariko do shira hano cece kata mu gikoni yesu yamushiranye kureba hano ikindi cyashe ndapfuye bunda ku mutwe dodo go punch buratse nagano ni igisore dodo mutwe kick go kigabo karaba kimene kisane depoza yewe we do pega kagabo we umugabo bamuhisemo bamuzi bamubwiye ati turakuzi tuzi ibyo wakoraga mbese bite avayo to katanu niki utebutse ya vayo hano asubira mu modoka havumbiye kwitwa Ganero kumisipira ari gucika.
Oh, Nero.
Bravo, Nero.
Bravo, Nero.
Bravo.
Dickhead, let me speak to my son.
Ndashaka kuvugana n'umuhungu wanjye.
Your tongue with me, my friend.
Now you listen to me, you arsehole.
Uri kunyumva gatafari?
Killing spree in a restaurant full of heavily armed Mexican bandits. Now cut the bullshit and let me speak to my son.
Kabanya uwo mwana uri kumbwira mu mwana wanjye tuvugane.
I'm gonna let you pass this time. Just because I know you're under a lot of tension about your kid, but you did a hell of a job in there, my friend.
Wa musore giye mwitayeho n'akazi uri gukora nkitayeho humura umwana nta kintu ari bubi.
Right along here in one moment.
Yeah, you better be. And I tell you what.
Nera mukagize umuntu ukora ku mwana wanjye ndaza mwese bici.
Morning here. We're creating a trust, and you know what?
Nakubwiye ngo hano turi gukora ku kintu bita icyizere. Niba nakubwiye ngo hano nta muntu mukora ubyizere.
At the right guy for the job. Hey, look. Your son, he's ready. Look at him.
Ongera kumwereka umwana wa hano afungiye. Bamuhaye amazi gusa sha. Basi mwana wanjye mwamuhaye urwuge akaba yinywera.
It's cold.
Harakonje.
I know, look, you just gotta stay calm, okay?
Mwana wanjye kubise tuze ndaje.
You're sending help.
No, I'm gonna be doing this one alone, mate.
Ugiye kohereza ubufasha kuri inshuro n'icyo uri bwize.
Look, you just need to trust me, mate, okay?
Mwana wanjye wenyizera.
The men who took you, they're making me do something for them, but it's
Umugabo wagushimuse hari akazi ndi kumukorera.
okay? You just need to hold tight.
Icyo ufite gukora ni ukwicara ugatuza ndaje gutwara. Baramukupira ari umwana bari kuganira.
Hey.
We.
Oh, that's enough with the fathers.
Ibyo mwe mubiritse bya papa n'abana.
Listen, don't you worry.
Ntugire ikibazo.
I'm gonna get your son a nice peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Umwana wenda mugusubiza ari mu ryerye.
Meanwhile, you gotta get ready for your next job, okay, Papa?
Abwitegure tugiye ukandi kazi ka kabiri. Akazi ni kararangira. Ngo bari kumukoresha.
Well, all right, you prick.
Nero, you gotta learn to disagree without being so disagreeable. Your kid's gonna pick up bad habits, okay? Now,
None.
didn't like the way you kicked that ass? Let's see if you can do some more.
Yeah?
Reka turene badukorera kandi kazi.
Glad to know he's putting some lead in your pencil then, you freak.
All right,
Aramutuka.
you get on to your next job, my friend.
Ugiye ku kazi kawe kakurikiye my friend.
New coordinates.
Amukubita izindi korodene zahagiye. Amukubita amerekezo. Ya. Kumbe uyu nguyu ari kumwe n'abapampa. Umwana mwabonye ukuntu ari gukora akazi.
Machine.
Yes, and all he needed was a little motivation.
Umwana mwabonye ukuntu ari gukora akazi.
A life coach from him.
Ya.
Escúchame, muchachos.
Reka tujye kuri ba muchachos.
We're talking about the gringos, don't we? Well, the gringo cleans up.
Ubu tugiye kwicara tumere nk'abari kureba televiziyo mu gihe Nero ari buze kuba ari kudukorera akazi. Bagiye kwicara barebe filime. Bimeze bite? Bagiye kwicara abafana be n'abapampa. Baze kuba utagira abapampa. Ya. Bavayo. Gira tugire sha. Musore hari baba mukurikiye.
All right, Nero, let's see what you got.
Musore gature n'icyo ufite ijoro.
3 minutes, and his limey ass gets torn to shreds.
Iminota 3 nisigaje akajya gutwika bari kumureba.
Yours, boss.
All right. Let's see how our gringo likes the nightlife.
Bari kumureba kuri televiziyo. Kumbi. Abandi binjiye. Bano bari gushita. Manu uriya musore baramwica ntabwo bamwica. Bano batangiye no gushita. Uriya musore ntabwo bamwica. Abandi baramwica. Bari kumurwuge utari kumurwuge afite murwa. Udafite murwa. Iki. Ya. Survive. Atwaye SUV.
Nero, the big building.
Iyo nyubako nirubona imbere yawe.
Yeah, I can see it.
Ndayibona.
The host of our next party is Eliasar Machado.
Uwo mugabo ugiye kurira yitwa Mucano. Niwe wateguye ikiro, niwe wagiteguye ngo niwe bwakira abantu.
He's gonna be the host of the next party that you're about to crash.
Ntabwo ari umugabo mwiza habe na gato.
When I say this, Nero, you can consider him a really bad hombre.
Yeah, I know him.
Ni bad hombre.
Good. They also know he's got it coming.
Yep. Prostitution, racketeering, kidnapping.
Icyo mbonye arashimuta, acuruza abakobwa n'umwicanye.
Come to think of it, this guy's almost as much of a prick as you are.
Touche. Yes, but unlike me, Nero,
Ameze
the
nkawe.
world would be a
Nawe urashimuta.
without him. Okay? So, here's the deal.
Ukuntu tugiye gukorana rero.
Having a little party. You go to the third floor.
To the
VIP room.
ugiye kwinjira muri hoteli cyangwa se muri ako kabyiniro uzamuke muri VIP naho abagabo bari kubuya nubwo yafata pistol ashyiraho siransi.
Good. And I sure hope 15 years off doesn't make you too rusty, Papa. Because you're a little boy. He's counting on you.
umusore genda ukora akazi k'umupapa mwiza umwana waragutegereje.
The thing will be rusty is the nail I'm banging to your coffin if anything happens to my son.
ntiyagira ikintu cyose kiba ku mwana wanjye urabira ikibazo. mbega n'umubu muri iyi uyu mugabo baramuzi bamufatiye umwana uyafayo bimeze bite. bayana sha uretse ikintu cyose ibawunsa yana ari kumusaka. ikintu giki kiri ku ikote iya kabiri iri gukamera rimwe kabiri gutwika we bo bari gufana bamwohereje yinjira midani mu kabari agukubitiye fayizo yanari shitani nta kabari kari hano gafitiye umwaka uraturarye nta gishimishije mbonyemo hano pe. ahantu hari abasinzi hari indaya mba mbona nta gishimishije gihari kibura ahantu hari kuvugirwa ijambo niki kibura banywa ku rwunge aho ntaribi do agomba kujya muri VIP. hano ari mu basanzwe bose ari mu b'igihumbi hari ahasanzwe hose agomba kujya muri VIP niho boss yateguriye ikirori cye. urabizi hari umuntu ukubise yantare fayizo bano barabireba bano bari kureba filime banywa urwunge biturije biyicariye mu rugo abandi banywa mburwa hari n'umugabo hari wambaye udukote rimwe do sore zamukana mutebutse katurisheri wabonye uriya mwana ukuntu atwika komeza midani yambaye kamera bari kureba ibyo akora rimwe do vuna hasi komeza imbere komeza idani bimeze bite fayo do sore zamuka ajya muri VIP ugiye kubarinza arakubita bahamisi baba bounce bose arakubita ba madiba arakubitwa bose baravunnye bahiriye kuri ya ntare fayizo bavuna turapfuye ni niro rimwe gasani uriya mwana arakubita rwose bano barareba do pima ku menyo ufite uburyo squad abafana barafana bisa nkaho hari ababwanutse bari gufana hari n'abandi bicaye wagira ni ibice bibiri icupa ku mutwe cy'urwunge nibabaza gute bamukubise icupa ry'urwunge ku mutwe do kakubita.
Hey, Donovan. Good guy, man.
Mana musore mwabonye
I told you.
muri VIP tururi muri VIP ariko ibiri kubera muri VIP wana zashinga kabari nanjye kire mu VIP iki ni do katururi tujye hejuru katururi hey fire ku mutwe yari hano sasu do musore ari hano shyiramo mucaho basasa bamenshi uyu nawe sohokera mu bantu rimwe dodo mfite buryo ki rasabo rero yageze hano yitwa Richard twayo by'uburari muri Mexico ku mutwe hey umugabo yirwa buze umwana we kurwana cyo ni icicayi sasu uri muri VIP boss rwose arumasigaje ibyijoro ariko amafaranga ni meza we niko kiri ko do bari gufana ewana do nicyo baje kureba cyitwa Machado nicyo cyateguye ibirori. muri VIP.
Oh, fuck.
Hey!
Donald! Who the fuck are you?
uri cyane biramaga
Si, perfecto, señor.
cyiza cyane
Shoot that Benil in the head.
gasapandeho mu mutwe urasa agatafari mu mutwe
I don't know. You tell me.
uyu mugabo ninde uri ku telefone uramuzi
carbon monoxide.
His voice.
ijwi ryawe urizi
That's it.
uyu mugabo ari kumamagara n'umakwica
It is. You're a spineless fuck.
You couldn't kill me yourself? Oh, I don't like getting my hands dirty taking out the trash, amigo.
Fuck you.
aramutuka
No.
urasa yewe umusore uri kugerageza kumenya ingoma y'akazi n'indi bari batari guseka we umugabo wambaye agakote k'amiso yewe biraseka dore gakiri cyari Juni cyasetse
Oh, excellent job, my friend.
nakoze cyane inshuti yanjye
Sir, we have 1 more minute before the cops show up.
asigaye mu ntoki kugira ngo abapolisi bagere aho hantu umusore nasohoke
Dominoes.
aho ngaho polisi igiye kuhagera umusore
Amigo. You deserve it.
ushaka kuvugana n'umwana wa gishaba bakuzura bikwiriye kuvugana nawe pe Tyler
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay, buddy.
meze neza
What about you?
wameze uko
Why are they doing this?
icyo bari gukora ibi
Want to clean up some of that mess?
hari abantu bashaka gukora umwanda munsi
No, I'm sorry, okay?
bari mwana wanjye ukoze iki
They still got friends. So you can see.
wamwanira wose ndi maneko maneko yego
Like a soldier.
Special.
cyangwa se ubyita umusirikare nawe uzi special force ndi na maneko
Does this have anything to do with Mom dying?
Yeah, I'm afraid it does.
Dad, tell me what happened.
bwira byagenze gute
Please, Dad.
mama byamugendekeye ute
If anyone deserves to know, it's your boy. Come on.
umwana wakwiye kumenya ukuri mubwira
Who is that?
It's me, Taylor.
uwo ni Derek Taylor
I'm the man.
icyo ushaka kuki uri kwita papa rero kandi papa yasi kwitwa Richard iryo zina papa yitwaga ariko ntibikwibwire uri kuri bukubohore
I want to know.
ushaka kumenya gute hari uwagabari
Comments are very bad people.
hari umuntu waneje wambaye naragiye kuniga bari icyo ushaka
Everything I could to get it back, Taylor. Okay? Everything I could.
That's how I found her. It was too late.
barafumbira bariko naragiye kubaniga ushaka kuvuga atari mu mawe baramwica
I didn't need it to be done.
ubafashe se nanjye kugira ngo nari kubera yishimye nanjye nishimye kubona
So they took me off active duty. They moved us down to Mexico, and we were safe.
Until now.
What do they want?
They want me to do to their enemies what I did to mine.
barashaka kubakorera ikizara abantu bashaka kumbakurira mu nzira mwana wanjye
But now it's back.
So I'm gonna do what this scumbag wants me to do. And when it's done, I'm gonna come and get you, okay?
akazi nikarangira ndaza kuri mwana wanjye
Dad, I'm sorry I've been such a jerk.
pamba bari gukora kumenya umwana wanjye
You got nothing to be sorry about, okay, buddy?
nta mpamvu yo gusimbuza umwana wanjye
It's gonna be okay.
birasa
Love you, Dad.
ndagukunda papa ntarabibwishe rwose kuri iki mpamvu yamuza kurwana atabukona bibona ari yeri aba yari kubitiwe yaraho
Drop this therapy session, Papa. You got a lot of work ahead of you.
ibyo yabimweretse rero ko afite akazi kenshi mbere yo kwirukansa
Muchachos, main event. We commence in a few hours. Go get a smoke, get a drink.
mube munywa munarya munani iki n'iki bano icyo bakoze bakwicara akazi kabo kagakora yegewe tuba tugiye gusubira mu mwanya wandi
later in life.
You'll have to trust me on that. This is still a new day, a new beginning, and watching the utter destruction of our enemies. Hasa la kambro.
Uyu munsi ni umunsi wo guserebura icyo twashaka tugiye kukibona. Bimeze biti bari guserebura. Uyu munsi umusore ararangiza abantu bose. Umwana ari kugerageza gucika. Yo. Hakurino. Katururi.
The next guy.
Marshman, they tell me he's now risen to one of the top.
Uwo mugabo ugiye kurikiza kujya kureba niwe mubi cyane kurusha abo wabanje.
Insulting. I mean, this is a bad guy. They deal in human trafficking.
Uwo mugabo acuruza abantu. Twebwe ariko ducuruza abantu wapi?
And international arms deal. Understand this?
These guys, they kill innocent civilians for nothing.
Make up for it.
So I don't want you to worry about your karma on this one, okay, amigo? Here's the truth.
Kuri ni?
The truth, Nero.
Nero.
This one's not gonna be easy.
Uyu mugabo ugiye kurana ntago ari bukorohe.
To bring out the big
Bwiza ukuri.
everything. But I'm trusting you, and so is your son. We're trusting you to handle the situation, and by that I mean...
Wait, let me take a wild guess. Everyone needs to die?
You see that?
urabibonye
What a surprise.
We're like brothers. And we're on the same page.
urabona ko turi kugendana sibyo genda urangiza umuntu umusore akomeza imbere biramuririmba niro biri kumwereka ko byamushyigikiye abagenga bari kumushuka kumbe turahakiye turi uwabashe kwica uyu niwe bavuze ngo ntabwo ari buborohire ubwo yahuye nabo bose
Suelo. Hey.
Atacaron el antro de Machado.
vuga icyesipanyol
También mataron la pandilla de los Rojas y Garza en el hotel de Garza.
¿Cómo fue que pasó eso? ¿Ya saben quién lo hizo?
Se dice que fue un sujeto solo.
Por favor.
kumbe cya cyana nacyo kiracyarwana n'amapingu kirayaca Katururi mwana ava hano rwanira kuba yacika hano Katururi umusore aripampa barabwiye ati wowe hanganye nabo bose hano ntabwo ari buze koroherwa shyiramo isasu uyu niwe wanyuma umuha umwana we bimeze bite akuramo komeza idani ibintu bigiye kuryoha abasore Ruri Ado biraseka hano arabari kureba yafite mu bwongo rero gambari uriya musore umwana ari gucika yabuze ati ikica gicyanye cyaciye musuko cyanyeretse isura yacu kiri mu nyice nakiri shyiraho sha Parikan Sasu nta gutinda aho fire sore byinjira marcyo bimeze biti dore amasasu hey arasariya imiryango irifungura abantu barafana hahiye yinjira bitani masasu hey wateno nari mu rugo rwe ni kumanywa abandi basangana batunguye kumanywa yihangu fayaryo sasu bagikingura fire hey kubisbiri Scott arikiriza byose arabikora kubw'umwana we yahoze ari maneka ari special force leta y'ubwongereza go bose tararije yumva igikubita twatewe
Welcome to the compound.
bose hari umuntu umenye yinjira mu mbuga yacu ninde faya to n'uburyo bafashemo bunda ku rutugu utanyeganye kubona ko ari rimatangwa muzima uburyo fata mibunda faya Katururi kuro magazine ashiramo indi byihuse cyane faya gasa turi muri Mexico ariko rero mwana aratwiga ngo bino birafana ariko sikora umuntu ari kumukorera akazi wigaramisha ari uri mu byungukiremo biba biryoshye do ngo yaje gusenga batatse mu rugo rw'Imana afasha umugezi wa nabi mufata babarira mufata ni mufata ku izina ry'Imana tata bisengesha ariko by'umwicanyi babarira mufata ni mufata yasenze Bikira Mariya bimusaba nyina wa Jambo basuhuze ba nyina wa Jambo bose ntabwo bazi ko abaho na Jambo zo muri alimentation barya ragenda ukabisha umukobwa shiri witwa nyina wa Jambo kagira ngo ni Mariya kuvuga Jambo zo muri alimentation do fire Katururi sasu rangana aratwika sha sasu bisabiti do fire kubisitani sasu besabiti do kubisabiti aha fire oh aramuhaye shose kamura shano abisha ibikoryo wagira ngo biri kureba film umugabo burya fata imbunda kwifatira ku rutugu kitaranyeganyega akira sa ku buryo isasu ridahusha do fire bamushyiramo umwana shese sha yari yakubiwe kenshi. Ikoza kuri umusore arashe yambaye n'igikamera bakikubaho. Tubibujije kwirira kibura bari kwirebera gasobanuro bagati nuko icyo akora asobanura.
Looks like our boy's not gonna make it.
Bisa nkaho umusore atari bubikore.
Nothing to fear. Omar, we almost got you, Bill.
Omar, habuze gato tukwica wa gatofari uriya mugabo bari bagiye kwica Omar.
Fucking Brett put up a good fight.
Uriya musore ko yarwanye neza cyane mwana ntugapfuye.
You know when you try to kill a black woman? No, a lion.
Uzushaka kwica intare.
To protect its pride, its familia.
Intare kugira kuyica biragorana kuko cyane cyane ibiri kurinda famiye yabo. Ibiri kurinda abandi bana bayo. Cyangwa se agatsiko kayo.
He deserves our respect.
Uriya musore kwicubahiro cyacu sha. Mumukomera amashyi yari yakirageje. Ibigo rye ariko sha naho miseke yari amabuye. Mumukomera amashyi.
Interesting night.
Omar will figure out that I'm behind the attack. He'll come here for me. I'll be ready for him.
Uriya mugabo yagiye gutangira ashakisha ninde wagerageje kumwica araza gusanga mwiteguye. Uriya bari bagiye kwica.
We take the fight to him.
Tugiye kumushyira intambara. Warashaka kwica abantu bose bakora akazi nkawe kagakore wenyine kandi ibyo ntibishoboka. Akazi iyo gakoze wenyine ntago karyoha. Iyo nta competition ihari. Ntago hashye. Kandi bagomba kuba ari abantu bakora akazi nk'akawe benshi noneho banatwika koko. Nibwo umukino uryoha. Kugira ngo mu Rwanda dufite yakizakipe byizihanganye hari imugira ngo match zageze. Do. Bagomba kuba abapampe benshi batwika. Bano bakije imodoka biriki. Bagiye kwica. Bohereza amamodoka. Ibyo umusore apfuye atarangije. Abapampe bakomerezeho. Fayura kubona nikaba ari kucyangwa mu mukapu babacuje iyo byabwenge kangwa n'ikintu bitaho cyane. Hey, ikapu. Marangi yari ingenzi nzahindura business. Dukomerezeho.
Who are you?
Binde.
Do I know you?
Ndakuzira turapfiki. Ko nabonye mu nyata.
Or why I am your enemy?
Kuki ndi umwanzi wawe nshaka yiki.
Or Machala for that matter. We've been looking into your phone and we found this video.
Twagiye muri telefone yawe tubonamo ino video yakana. Hey,
Your boy.
n'umwana wawe.
They're gonna kill him.
Baraza kumwica. Baraza kumwica. Nitumwica.
You tell me.
Yamamagaye.
Why would I know? So they forced you to do this?
Yo baguhatirije gukora ibi.
Whoever it is, they want you and the other cartel heads taken.
Icyo nzi cy'uwantumye ashaka wewe n'abandi ba cartels mwese mupfana n'abacuruzi b'ibyobyabwenge bafite imiryango ikomeye n'abapampe bakomeye bafite barakoze udutsiko duhambaye. Bashaka mwese mupfa.
I used to talk about trust.
Twavuganaga kuri telefone numva ko ikunda kuvuga ijambo ibintu by'icyizere.
I don't have a fucking clue, mate.
You said trust.
Yavugaga ibintu by'icyizere.
Trust.
Yego.
A lot about trust. Samuel Escano, hijo de su puta madre.
You talking about the cartel head?
You know him?
I've heard of him.
But Samuel is the only one with the balls to do something like this. He has been trying to consolidate power for years now.
Wakoze ibintu byose yagira agasigara imbaraga zo kutuyobora twese.
Where is he?
If he's in Mexico, he has a villa near the beach.
Gusa nanone
Playa La Misión.
hari undi mugabo dukeka kuri kubakoresha ashobora kuba yaje muri Mexico ariko n'umwongereza.
MI6.
Yemo nawe uri MI6 cyangwa CIA.
Doesn't really matter, does it?
MI6 ni ikigo cy'ubutasi cy'abongereza.
Stopping all this about your kid. But you came to my home with bad intentions. And this is how it's gone down for you.
Iyo umuntu aje mu rugo iwanjye afite gahunda mbi nuko bimugendekera. Bataragira hari abinjiye barasa. Hey, musore bataramushyiramo hari abinjiye barasa. Uyu nawe ayita yi kiki do uyu mugabo aratwi do hey do Mutebutsi bimeze bite do katururi yeah kuvayo hey kubita abagabo atikozeho amujugunyira mu ivi. Ngabo ni mubi. Katurori. Ese biti. Zano arebe ko yaciye ibigozi n'iki. Yeah. Uyu kure bana bona pistol nziza ndekuye. Kifai, ino cyari guca ibigozi hano. Kirashaka gufata imbunda. Buritse. Sasu. Umusore avuye hano. Katurori. Bimeze biti. To. Yeah. Yinjiramo imbere. Katurori. Zana aracomora. Fata laptop iri hano. Fata n'imodoka. Konaji. Ahita amanuka. Ahita amanuka. Musore yaje hano. Yatse imodoka yimanukire. Bimeze bite? Yeah. San. Ayo, kigura ikiryango. Do, ndagiye. Do, aramanuka. Yeah. Yeah. Katurori. Do. Kumbe hano kamera zirahari. Akaba ari mu rugo ntasi ko yazima.
May your enemies respect you. May God protect you. May death neglect you.
Kuba baganira hariya paritsa. Hey! Barikano. Zano. Do. Yinjiramo hano. Yeah. Do. Ajyamo hano yitonze ibyo akora arabizi. Maze kurangiza ibyo akora sinzi n'ibiki yakoze. Akomeza imbere. Yeah. Kumbe. Hano. Iki cyaje hano. Kigurana. Shirano hamwe paritse imodoka iri mu mwana bazi bamurangize. Kigabo kimukure ku biryo n'ubundi. Uyu mwana n'ubundi. Cyatsi imodoka. Iki nacyo cyagambariwe musurwe ni maniko gukera. Kirangije gikandagira ku muri. Kugikandagira umuriro ni ko yamyuka bigende zamu. Icyahana kana gafungiye inyuma. Dore ngo kirohe papa noneho papa sanze umwiciye. Hey! Kigabo dore ngo kirica umwana. Cyohereje mu gaze nyinshi. Yana turamuhuye twigendere. Ntitwahuye bake. Barangije bambara za oxygen mask. Weba bihumikira neza barebe bise biti. Kire tukiri. Kigura hano. Turi gaze weje mukuru nyinshi. Kureba imbere umwana ntawe urimo. Icyana cyagiye kare. Nyagasani. Urwana rwagiye kare. N'imigozi rwayiciye. Iki cyana cyagiye kare. birabacanga ubizi. Twagiye yeah. Komeza imbere. Uyazana mashini niki kureba ni nyubako yarayibonye. Nyubako arayibona. Yarangije arizirika. Hey! Igipangu cy'abamufatiye umwana gikizeho. Fayo.
The kid's gone.
Umwana twamubuze.
It's Nero.
Ni Nero.
Not Nero, Donovan. It's me.
Ni cyo wahugishije umwana. Yeah? Harwinjiye mitani. Ni wahugishije umwana.
You can tell a lot about a man's actions. These are very disappointing. I'll have no kid killing on my watch.
Wa mugabo rwose uri umwana mubi cyane wanegwi. Nta na rimwe natuma umuntu yica umwana ndikuri. Ugiye kwica umwana namuhungisha ikigabo nukagize cya nabi. Ati ntago natuma bica umwana ndikureberera.
Move the boy somewhere safe from you.
Umwana namujyanye ahantu hatekanye mu guhungisha.
Nero's dead.
Nero yapfuye papa we.
Press for that, pal.
Haruwaje. Arababona.
Hello, Nero.
Bite Nero.
Donovan!
Donovan.
You're not going to tell me this was for Queen and country, are you?
Not exactly.
Nizere kutagiye kumbwira ngo numwamikazi n'igihugu bagutumye ubwongereza.
You know, I always had a sneaky suspicion.
Najyaga nguceka.
Maybe it was you that betrayed me.
Kare wangambaniye.
My wife.
Bigatuma umugore wanje yicwa. Kandi kuko nibyo.
But I never dared to believe it.
Ariko rero naranze kubyizera.
Well, it's a rough business we're in.
Iyo business turimo reka dukora igoye.
We do what we...
Umutwe. Hey! Kitaravuga byinshi nambara iratangira. Nabasubiranamo. Abandi bakunda abantu bica abana. Ibigabo bakoraga by'ibyongereza bakunze ko byica abana. Masasu bimeze bite? Yeah. Hey! Sasu. Fire. Do. Unyubako y'umugabo. Mugire n'iki nabongereza. N'iki yego. Komeza imbere. Hey! Ari kubabara baza munsi y'imodoka. Sasu. Hey! Uyu nawe. Do. Hey! Ni boss n'umugore we. Boss ni rwanya. Do. Shit. Hey! Katururi. Hey! Do. Kubitanya n'umwirabura. Twika. Do. Nyirabura utwika. Uretse. Do. Nyirabura arafite uburyo ki aramubara. Hey. Aramubara uretse gato. Kotono. Katurore. Do. We. Boss do. We. Barabarana. Imibare. Do. We. Do. Mukobwa. Bagabo. Bongereza. Kubanyamexico hano. Hey. Hano. Hahi. Hey. Nasi. Yeah. Katururi. Yeah. Katururi. Yeah. Do. Hey. Gotu. Karar salam. Fatimo Dan. Kumeza kaziki. Pakabonye umwana we. Hano nabo. Umukobwa na mwana bihagarika ku kabari buretse hasi. Genda cya karidinali cyane umukobwa. Genda. Hey.
Where's my son?
urakoze kumfasha gutabara ubuzima bwanjye.
See your son.
Umwana wanjye ari he?
You want him to see this?
urashaka umwana wabona bino bintu abantu bari kwica?
This boy. Meet us inside.
umwana yanamushyize ahantu indani mu nzu atabona buno bwicanyi buri kubera hano nk'umupapa.
You try anything, he gets it.
nuko rikosa uyu ndamwica.
Let's go.
tugende. komeza imbere. do papa.
Okay.
Fine.
I could kill you two right now.
mwembi n'abicu.
But then what would happen, Nero?
nunyica biragenda ute?
Tomorrow there'll be a new man here to take my place.
hazaza undi umeze nkanjye nsimbuye.
When they find you,
nakubona
trust me, they will find you.
nyizera kandi bazakubona.
You and your son will be in the same exact predicament.
we n'umwana wawe bazahita babica.
I don't claim to be a good man.
ntabwo dushaka kwigira umuntu mwiza,
I am a man who keeps his word.
ariko ndi umugabo urinda isezerano ryanjye.
I gave you back your son.
gusubisha umuhungu wawe sibyo?
Here's what I think we should do. You go
icyo nakubwira igende.
to your house at the beach.
ugiye kuba ku mazi
We leave you alone.
wibereho ubuzima bwawe neza.
We run North Baja. Try to see what good we can do with it.
ubuzima bwawe buguma ari ibanga nk'uko wabishakaga.
It's not like I went in there incognito, is it? They've seen my face.
urakeka ntabwo babonye isura yanjye ntibazangendaho.
Now what's left of those cartels? They're gonna
abandi ba kariteri basigaye nibanyica.
me and my son.
njye n'umwana wanjye.
As of today, Nero, I control everything.
ubu nicyo uri gukontorora buri kimwe.
There are no more cartels.
nta bandi ba kariteri bahari.
I am the last man standing.
ninjye mugabo wanyu umuhagaze.
This is a one-in-a-lifetime offer, my friend.
mwana iki ni ikintu ni ofa ndi kuguhibaho rimwe mu buzima ikintu ndi kugwana gisanzwe.
Safety.
You can't guarantee anything, pal.
kwizeza nta kintu nyizeza nta garanti wama ko nzaba ndi muzima.
I may have underestimated you, Nero, but now you're underestimating me. I am a survivor. I will.
wa musore sinigeze gusuzugura, sinzi impamvu unsuzugura.
I promised you. I give you my word.
nagusezeranije turi ibyo nagusezeranije ndabikoze gusubisha umwana wawe.
My word.
n'ibindi ndi kugusezeranyiza ariko nzabikora.
Again. You never have to see us again in this life.
ntabwo ari ngombwa cyane ngo tuzongere tubonane. ese ko nta muntu uzagukora.
No. It's a lot better. The devil you don't.
byaba byiza buriya aho kugira ngo ubane na marayika utazi ko wabana na sekibuzi. niyo magambo umugabo yamubwiye ati ni byiza ko wabana na sekibuzi kurusha uko wabana na marayika utazi. mbega ushobora kunyica akazaza utazi akayobora wakaguhitana kuruta uko wabana nanjye ugakomeza ugakorana nanjye, cyangwa se ukizera ibyo nkubwiye kuko nibyo nakubwiye mbere n'ubwo ndi mubi nabisohoje. shushu mbe twigende. ikigabo ngubu icyo cyashakira kibonye nicyo kigiye gukontorora ibintu byose by'ibiyobyabwenge n'aha isoko kirifite bugwate.
Why didn't you kill him?
kuki utamwishe?
Do you trust him?
uramwizeye? ntabwo mwizeye.
It's like I was trying to tell you before. Not everything has to be solved with violence.
wa mwana ibintu byo nageza kukubwira na mbere ntabwo ari buri kintu cyose gikemurwa. gikemurwa no kuba wakura urugomo cyangwa se wakwica umuntu cyangwa ukubita uya hari igihe ukoresha mu mutwe.
Whenever I want. That's my life. Understand?
uranyumva?
Come here.
bari hano.
Let's get out of here.
bibutsa mujye kuri YouTube murebe channel yitwa X Nation mukore subscribe mujye mwikurikirira agasizoni k'akanyarwanda kitwa abapampe ndi kubasobanurira karatwika ko papa twagiye kuri moto cyane naguze moto cyane mukamenyero siwe we mutubona dushaje mukagira ngo nitwatwitse mu myaka yacu ayiwereke ubwo n'abana babona ababyeyi babo basigaye bari mu tutise batuje ntibamenye ko batwitse.
Can you teach me how to blow?
cyangwa umubyeyi yakubwira mwana wanjye ko itaba atari ryiza wariretswe papa ni idage ntabyaza ubwo ibitabo aba yaranyweye akaza kumenya ko nta keza kabya kabiri. Buri umubyeyi nakubwira ikintu ujye ubimenya babizi cyangwa se niba batarabinyweye aba yarabanye n'abapampe be barinywaga imyaka ye. bafashe inzira n'umwana we barerekera ndetse n'agafilime kacu nuko kagenze kaboyi dore yari araho hafi nawe arabibona. agafilime kacu nuko kagenze bakita gasizdi ndetse ugasanga kuri website bita gasobanuye 250.com ndetse ubu ngubu uri kujya ukora registration kuzuzamo ibisabwa ukarebera ubuntu nta mpamvu yo kwishyura. Imana yo mugisha ndabakunda abanzi ntibangereranya abamenye ntibanshidikanyaho.